Wow, right now I can see the excavator. Oh my god, many toys. Do you like to play with me? Oh, let's go play with me. Oh my god, taking play. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh my god, it's so nice excavator, yeah. Oh my god, very fast it is. Pizza, oh my god, do you like to play? Yes, look at us, oh my god, yes, thank you. Wow, excellent, oh my god. Pizza curry, that's right, now we can see the aeroplane, oh my god. Look at the yellow aeroplane and magnet, oh, let's go, yes, oh my god, so fast and excellent, right now again. Wow, oh my god, wow. How is possible, right? Look, oh my god. The magnet is under the airplane right now. Look, wow, car and airplane accident, right? I can see the magnet, oh my god. Look, the car is so good. Oh my god, magnet car. How is possible? Oh my god. Oh, right now I can see the magnet is catching the airplane, oh my god. Motorbike, wow, do you like the motorbike? Yes, do you like? Oh my god, how? Wow. Oh my god, oh my god, slow motor right now, oh my god, accident. You can see the very slowly, oh my god, that's so nice. Look again nearby the motorbike, oh my god. How it is possible, I really like. Look, the car, oh my god, very fast to sit again. Yes. Yeah, go. Oh my god. Again, oh my god, accident, yes, fast, oh my god. Pushed by another truck, right now with a rifle revolver, oh my god, he not get up, oh my god, yes. Very slowly, yes, slow mo. Oh my god, the aeroplane and the truck and another car, so fast, right? Yeah, again, go fast, oh my god. Show you the slow mo, oh my god, look, wow. So right here, look. Yes, go fast. Oh my god, and the car is right now and the magnet is come near. Oh my god, so I split, oh my god, right. Oh my god, how it possible, slowly again, go, yes, oh my god. Oh my god. Really, it is so fast, alright. Do you like the car video? And do you like, oh my god, it's how it go on the truck. Oh my god, the footstep is here. Yes, oh my god, good, yeah. Do you like it? Yeah. Next case, yes, oh my god, it's too dangerous time. Right now I can see more, oh my god, the bicycle and the car is accident. Right now I can see many toys right now and I can show you the magnet, oh my god, so look the magnet, how it is, really, it's crazy, right? Oh my god, yeah, the magnet is jumping, oh my god, and like really, it's so nice, yeah, the like baby, the next part is the airplane and the car, oh my god, excellent, yeah, excellent, I can show you the magnet. Yeah, this is really so nice. Yeah, it is good like magnet. Yeah, how the sound really is nice. Yeah, do you like the magnetic sound and how it's jumping? I hope you have the magnet and you can try it. Yeah, wow, so nice. Very funny. Wow, the airplane is catching the crash of the diner. Oh my god, yeah, look how I make it. Really, it is so nice. Oh my god. It's so nice, really, I like it. Yeah, I want to try again the car on the magnet. Oh my god. Wow, many toys. Oh my god. What toys do you like to play with me? I like aeroplane, yes. Let's go. We will play with aeroplane, yeah. Look, the aeroplane, its color is green. green. Do you like the green color? Oh my god. Let's go, yes. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god, it's happening. Oh my god, accident to hit the cow. Oh my god. Let's go again in style. Yes, move. Flying, yes. Flying, move fast. Yes, move fast. Oh my god, flying right now. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god, alright. Oh my god, it's Spider-Man and there's an accident right now. Oh my god. Hey girlfriend, what the toys do you like to play right now? The car, aeroplane, truck, bus, or another. Look at the private car right now. It's the cow. Oh my god, look the white cow, yes? Do you like this? Yes, let's play, yeah. Move, yeah. Humba. Oh my god, it's stopped. Alright now again. Oh my god, again it's stopped. Alright now again. Wow, move, yeah. Come, humba. Oh my god, alright now again. Look the movement. Oh my god. Yes. Right now we can see the Spider-Man catching and the bicycle. Look how it is. Oh my god, so nice. The bicycle while it's so cool. Right now we can see a white bicycle, right? Yes. Let's go. We can play the bicycle. Oh my. So funny, right? The jumping. Right now we can. Oh my god. Hey, this spider car and the bicycle gets right now. The black is Spider-Man and the white bike. Oh my god, he's in an accident. Ha. Oh my god. What the movement around the car. Yes. Oh my god. Right. I want to try with the duck and play the spider car. Yeah. Oh my god. No accident. Yes. Wow! How many toys? Oh my god! Again, we can play with the toys, cars, motorcycle and the car. Let's go! Oh my god, the yellow car is actually right. Oh my god! How we do it? Oh my god! Again, the another car. Oh my god, his accident too. Yes, let's go! Oh my god! Let's go, the pink color car is the accident. Oh my god! Let's go, the black car. Yeah! Wow! So nice! Next again, more faster. Let's go! Oh my god! The motorcycle is look how nice! Oh my god! Next. Oh my god! So nice! Again, the pink color car. Right now I can see. Oh my god! So nice! More fast. Alright, I can see a green color car is split. Oh my god! It's split car, right? Look how it's moving. Oh my god, my hand is over the car, right? Again, we want to try the yellow car. Look it, yeah. Next. Oh my god, let's go. My god, oh my god. So nice. I like this.